Okay, so first step, you're going to put the screws in the black plastic block here, okay? And then you prepare those three components. Then, if you're dealing with a 24 and look at the instruction to see which way to install, but with the 24 you install pointing toward the tire like this. Okay, so you hold it, you put the black components like this. This you put with the flat part against the bracket, and with the screwdriver you tight a little bit so that everything is holding. Then you push the little device toward the tire as far as you can, and you tight it well in place. And then you repeat for each tabs.